Licorice root powder is useful in the curing of many types of health problems. Licorice root powder helps to get rid of indigestion or acidity. Though it is very difficult to identify the licorice tree, it is a precious herb. Licorice root powder is used in the preparation of herbal tea. Ayurvedic. Licorice tea is useful in stress release treatment. This medicinal herb is effective in the treatment of chronic cough and cold. Licorice, also known as Moolihai, is used to treat cough in both babies and infants. As this herb is very sweet in taste, it can be given to kids to cure some common ailments. Buy organic products at moolihai.com.